How to edge a man and how to master orgasm control for more satisfying sex. Edging, also called surfing, peaking, teasing, and more, is the practice of stopping yourself from reaching orgasm right when you're on the cusp, the metaphorical edge, right before you fall off the cliff into sexual climax. This practice has grown trendy in sexual health discussions as a form of better orgasms, but it's actually more than a half-century-old treatment for premature ejaculation. Essentially, this means stopping sexual stimulation before you come, waiting about 30 seconds, and then stimulating yourself again, repeating until you're ready to orgasm. It sounds like a quick win for better sex, but edging is more like a marathon. You can't race your way to lasting longer in bed or having a better orgasm, as some who practice this claim. On a more holistic level, edging can make you more keenly aware of your own sexual responses, both solo and with a partner, bringing mindfulness into the bedroom. What you need to know before you start edging. Experimentation is absolutely essential for a healthy sex life. Having a greater awareness of how your body responds can help take the edge out of the anxiety that can arise in your sex life. And when it comes to edging, you're also learning about the 4 stages of arousal. Knowing these can help you narrow down when to stop and start stimulation. 1. Excitement. Your skin starts to flush, your muscles get tense, your heartbeat gets faster, blood starts to flow quickly down to your penis or clitoris and vagina. The vagina gets wet and the scrotum withdraws. 2. Plateau. Everything that happened in stage 1 gets even more intense. You feel yourself drawing closer and closer to orgasm. This is the stage where you should get ready to stop or slow down stimulation. 2. Orgasm. A series of nerve and muscle responses occur, resulting in a feeling of ecstasy, increased lubrication in the vagina, and ejaculation of semen from the penis. But when you're practicing edging, this is the stage you're trying to avoid until ready. 4. Resolution. After orgasm, tissues return to their non-aroused sizes and colors, and all your vitals normalize, too. This is also when the refractory period starts. It's a temporary stretch of time where you can't get aroused again. It can last for a few minutes up to a few days or longer. Studies and literature support that one of the best indicators of a satisfying sex life is to masturbate and self-explore. If you don't get to know your body and practice different techniques, you won't know or become accustomed to your own body, which can affect your personal satisfaction, your health, and your relationship with your partner. 5 ways to try edging at home. 1. Make your environment ideal. Lock the doors, turn down the lights, put on some music, use an oil diffuser for atmosphere, and so on. 2. Get in the physical mood. Close your eyes and start touching yourself until your penis gets hard or your vagina gets wet. 3. Start masturbating. Stroke your penis, stimulate your clitoris, or whatever else you know can make you come. 4. When you feel like you're about to come, stop stimulation. Take your hands away or slow down your movements. Take deep breaths or open your eyes, if you need. 5. Go back to focusing on how or what got you excited. Take note of how your body changes. Do you feel tenser? More excited? Sweating or shaking more? 6. Start touching yourself again, or masturbating faster. After your break, repeat steps 1 to 3 again. Do this until you feel ready to orgasm. 7. Let it go. Allow yourself to reach orgasm. You might notice your orgasm lasts longer or feels more intense. Pay close attention to the feeling and see if edging made any difference in how much pleasure you feel. With a partner. 1. Get aroused, either through your favorite foreplay activities or positions with your partner. Try oral sex, stimulating their G-spot, licking or flicking or sucking nipples, or whatever else gets them going. 2. Make sure they're vocal or give cues about when they're going to come. 3. Reduce or completely stop stimulation until they go back to a plateau. 4. Start the stimulation process again, then repeat step 3 until they're ready to come. Next, here's a technique for people with penises, the squeeze method. 1. Get aroused. 2. Stimulate yourself to orgasm. 3. Right before you orgasm, squeeze the head of your penis to stop your orgasm. 4. Wait 30 seconds, then feel free to start stimulating yourself again. And try this technique, proven to help people with premature ejaculation. Ballooning. 1. Find an area on your penis that's especially sensitive. Don't touch any other area on your penis, just that one area. 2. Gently move your finger around that area in a circle. 3. Keep rubbing the area until you're fully hard, and keep it up until you feel like you're about to come. 4. Stop touching your penis right before you orgasm. 5. Let yourself get a little soft, then rub that area again until you're close to orgasm. Repeat this as many times as you'd like, but don't come. Ballooning is purported to help make you last longer by training yourself to control when you orgasm, so refraining from orgasm is key to making this exercise work. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, try a vibrator. Some vibrators even give you biofeedback on what's going on in your body as you move the vibrator in and out of your vagina and stimulate your clitoris. With a vibrator, you can explore different angles, levels of penetration, vibration speeds and rhythms, and much more. Use your imagination. Remember that there's no such thing as a normal orgasm. Sexual pleasure is highly subjective. Some may find pleasure in keeping themselves from orgasm, but it's all right if you prefer to get a quick release. Edging can have a few different benefits for improving masturbation and sex. 1. Help people, especially those with vaginas, achieve orgasm more easily. 2. Reduce feelings of embarrassment by building body awareness and confidence. 3. Remove the emphasis of penetration for more holistic partnered sex. Also, be mindful of whether delaying your orgasm might lead to something called a half or disappearing orgasm. When this happens, you may not feel the full body effects of orgasm, like vaginal contractions, or feel like you're getting right to the edge but never actually reach orgasm, even when you're ready. Dry orgasms are nothing to worry about. This is all natural and may not happen every time. They don't reflect on your sexual potency, and in many cases don't impact your fertility. But if you're concerned, see a doctor or sexual health professional for a checkup. A condition called delayed ejaculation often comes up in these conversations. However, the effects of this condition are typically psychological because of the stress and anxiety that not being able to ejaculate can cause if you aren't choosing to do so. There's no harm in experimenting and deciding for yourself. Any kind of sexual experimentation can help you discover yourself and what turns you on. Not everything will work for you, but that's okay. Basically, you won't know if you don't try. Edging may seem challenging at first, but you may find that standing on the edge may be simply exhilarating, especially when you decide to let yourself come and feel the extra intensity of finally letting yourself jump off the orgasm cliff. Discover how to supercharge your libido and sexual desire and get more bigger, and harder, and longer lasting erections and frequent and intense orgasms. Click link below video to learn more. Learn how to better control over erections. And learn how to get erections that look and feel better to you and your partner. Click link below video to learn more. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts.